Okay, making a video on a 2002 ML320, and if you have this type of issue, call 911. Reprogram the key, most likely have a starter issue, and I will show you what. I am going to remove the wheel just to get a little more access. But once you take this plastic off, it's a 10mm bolts that are holding this all plastic. You take that off, your starter is right there, and you have one bolt here, one bolt there, and this is gonna be E14 right there. E14 looks like one of those stars. Okay, so the bolts are back in, the starter is in. I'm gonna have to do connect the wiring and be all set with it. Okay, a couple of things. For the starter solenoid, it's going to be this fuse right here. It's K8 right there. Terminal 50 solenoid starter switch. So what I did, I checked it, it's fine. But if you don't get the start on the silent, check that relay first before you obviously check all the fuses, just in case there'll be a weird fuse that's not making it start. But start with this one first. All these are the same. If you're gonna swap them, just take something that's not important or as not important, like the K9 is right parking light, which is right there. You can swap these two and see. Don't be swapping and then you forget which one came out of where, so now you don't know which one's bad. But do one, if it doesn't work, put it back, back and forth. I would start with this first, and once you change the starter, I had an issue with computer being reset because it was giving me start error on the dash, and it needed to be plugged into the computer and reset, and I'll show you which computer I've been using. And that's all needed in order to start after starter was changed. So I will go with that now. You have to, so that's my extension right there. T14, E14, and you have to go through here. Just enough room. It was a little tight, but if you have this a little longer, it would actually be a little easier. If it's elevated here, you can kind of go slow and put it smaller, and then go from there. But the bottom would, this bolt would, you hook it up from the bottom, and this one you just gotta go through here. So all these are removed.